All right, so you should be walking on the ceiling, yeah? Okay. What's that? Okay. That's horrible. All right, you found one, yeah? He's alive. He's alive. Okay, keep him there. Keep him there. All right. Just. All right. All right. Just hold him there, okay? Just keep him there. Just reassure him. Pat him on the shoulder. Okay.
Tell him to keep drinking the water. Where's water? Drink it, buddy. Drink it.
What's your name?
Harrison.
Okay, Harrison. My name is Colby.
Okay,
and I'm going to bring you home, okay? What is your rank?
You're the cook.
Will you survive? Put your head underwater and breathe comfortably, okay? Okay, how's that?
Are you alright, Harrison?
Alright, stick his head in.
Put his head in the bell. Are you in the bell, Harrison? Give me a thumbs up. Good job, my friend. Well done. You're a survivor.